Hey guys, welcome to my very first YouTube video. It was my friend's birthday, so I decided to build him a custom keyboard. For the case, I went with the KBD Fans Tofu60 and the DZ60 Soldered PCB. The Tofu60 is built pretty well and is pretty good for an in-stock item. For the stabilizers, I got Durock V2 screw-in stabilizers. For the switches, I went with Tealios V2s. These are pretty expensive at $1 per switch, but they are some of the smoothest linear switches on the market. I paired these with a polycarbonate plate. My friend also chose this Akko neon keycap set. It's basically a GMK laser clone. Alright, let's build this. I started by lubing the Durock V2 stabilizers with Tofu60 grade 0 to make them buttery smooth. Now, let's mod these Tealios V2s. I started by opening all of them up. Then, I lubed these with Tofu60 grade 0 and I filmed them with desk key switch films. This process only took about 2 hours because another one of my friends was helping me. Now let's put all these modded switches in the plate and PCB. Then I soldered all the switches into the PCB. Now we can put it all together. Now that we're all done, I'll leave you with a sound test. See ya!